Stimme.
Bipolar. Bipolar. Alright, fuck it then. Bipolar. I'm on an emotional roller coaster, my mood keeps swinging like I got by. Tried making a song that was radio friendly, then said fuck everyone I got by. Wanted to fuck, but as soon as I nut, I get up and cut like I got by. Self-diagnosed, I'm going through highs and lows, like I got bipolar. Sat in a trap, just me and a pack, talking to myself, I'm a fucking loner. Fuck do I look like making a diss track? I don't give a fuck if it's hip-hop culture. Trip too hard, don't stand too close, got claustrophobia. Remember the days when the rest was like I got bipolar. To the beach, I show no sport for choice, I got a postponer. Lucky I'm bad, I'll treat it on bad van, clean throw 4-leaf clover. This thing don't fit in a go, y'all bulge in my pants, it's not even a boner. Lick shots and you do wake up, your feet like I got bipolar. I'm on an emotional roller coaster, my mood keeps swinging like I got by. Tried making a song that was radio friendly, then said fuck everyone I got by. Wanted to fuck, but as soon as I nut, I get up and cut like I got by. Self-diagnosed, I'm going through highs and lows, like I got bipolar. Didn't make excuses, hood just full up on drug consumers. Trusted a man and he done me like Judas. Fair opportunist, no opportunity. Fair opportunist, no opportunity. Fair opportunist, no opportunity. Like I got self-diagnosed, I'm going through highs and lows, like I got bipolar. Alright, fuck it, bipolar. Bipolar.